back. In previous videos, we've gone over different PDF generator page types. We've gone over the PDF page, which is a page generated from an actual PDF document. We've gone over the documents page, which is a page that you get to design yourself and configure. In this video, we're going to go over the documents list page or the document page list. So, everything we've done up to now has basically been based on a document that is, I guess, a set document with set parameters, right? So in this example, I have a proposal document and I just have dropped a text block here. This document could be 100-page long. I might have, on each page some, configuration that is specific to that page. But there are other use cases for generating PDF documents. In this example, we have a list of invoices that go to a certain customer, and this Inhouz Cloud client basically generates, with the click of a button, they basically can generate a PDF document that has all 39 documents. So in this example, what is different? We do have, a list of invoices, and that is, what is different. It's not a set document, or perhaps you have a set document, but the data is repeating. So you can think of this in this example of, a list of invoices. It could be a list of reports. Imagine if you had a report for, maybe for sales or for anything, and you were trying to compile a report maybe for an entire month. How would you do this on, using the PDF generator? And in this video, we're going to go over that. To add a PDF document list, all you need to do is click on the Add PDF Document List. So obviously, depending on where you add this, it's good. That's where it's going to appear. So if I click at the top, it's going to append it to the top of this page. And if I were to add it here, it's going to append it to the bottom of my PDF generation document. So I'm gonna add it to the top just so we can see it. All right. So I've gone ahead and I've added it, and right now we don't see anything because this is data driven. So because it's data driven, you have to actually have some data to display it, and we will go over that very shortly. So I'm going to use an API called random user data. We're just going to change the parameter here to 5. So what we have here is basically a list of 5 user data that was just randomly generated. I'm going to come into the app builder and I'm going to go to the initial data. I'm just going to say this is users. I'm going to paste that in there. And I'm going to do the same thing in the live app data. Users. Paste that in there. Perfect. All right, so I am just going to exit out of here. Now, to bind this list to our document page list, all I have to do is go into the element hierarchy. As you can see, I don't see that list because right now the focus was on the PDF page 1 because this is the page that I was just on. If I go to the page manager, I can just select the document page 1, which is our PDF list wrapper. Then go back into the hierarchy and I can see the document page list. If I click on that, all I have to do here is to bind my list to the app data field. Right now it's called users, and just like that, we have binded our lists. So we had 5 records, and here we go. There are 5 document pages in this document page list. Okay, so here's the cool thing. Let's say I go ahead and I drag a heading in here, and then I bind this heading to some dynamic data. So let's say we bind it to the email. Perfect. So now we can see the emails of all our randomly generated users. So this will work the way, the PDF generator works as is right now. All you need to do is configure your documents, okay? And you can use some sample data. And whenever you generate this document, the real data that you pass in the PDF generation function will replace whatever placeholder data that you have within PDF generation generator app builder. All right. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's very simple. All you need to do to have a list of documents is to one, add a PDF document list, select that page to make it the page in focus, jump into the element hierarchy, select the wrapper, and connect to your app data field. All right. And this works the same way a list element works. So if you understand how lists work, then you understand how this works. All right. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.